to all. So this is Selkumar from SNS Project Technology and Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So now I'm going to tell about research in user experience design. So creating an art board in Figma. So what is artboard? So an artboard in Figma is a frame that the servers contain for designs and represent area and within a design. So it is similar to an artboard and other design tool. So artboard allows you to choose an area of the canvas to create your designs in unlike traditional artboard. So you can nest frames within other frames, which allows you to create a more complex designs that work together. So artboard sizes are defined by the screen resolutions of the most commonly used device. For example, the most common screen resolution of desktop is the 1366 x 768. So artboard tricks will use a different kind of frames and a different kind of modules. So in a Figma you can add a layers directly to the canvas. So if you are designing a specific device or a screen size, you want to create a container for your design. So this is where frames come in. So if you used design tools before, so you will be familiar with artboards. So like artboards and the frames allows you to choose an area of the canvas to create your designs in. So frames allows you to combine layers together so that they can be treated like a single layer. So pick the frame tool in the toolbar or use the keyboard shortcut F. So below of the diagram will shows the artboard and a different kind of tools in the Figma. So go to the hand side. Go to the hand sidebar. In the frame section, select the desktop or phone toggle. So here the n number of frames available like a phone, tablet, desktop, and presentation, and a watch or paper or a social media or a Figma community and archive. So in this section we select a phone. This phone in a different kind of modules within a real-time mobile application for iPhone and Android signals and Samsung mobiles. So in a desktop, in a sex of MacBook 14 and a MacBook 16 and a desktop and a iMac. So this is how will be seen the choose your frames. What is the difference between artboard and frame in Figma? So at the most basic level, so what you may think of an artboard in other design tools is actually what we call frame in Figma. So we see frames as a foundational elements of for your design that can act as a top level contents like a device viewport and represent areas or components within your design. So in a Figma, so artboards are a type of frame that allows you to choose an area of the canvas to create designs in frames or a foundation element for designs and can represent areas or components and within a design or act as a top level containers like a device viewport. You can nest frames within other frames, so which allows you to create a more complex designs that work together. So in this case, so uh, we have considered both Figma. So the type of frame that allow you to choose an area. So we creating a one frame for desktop. So the desktop frame size is 16 into 15 in size. So we are using different kind of inputs from for example text or for some shapes for a rectangle, square, and a triangle. So we use a number of shapes in these frames. We create on real-time attraction UI screens. So in a Figma we can use different kind of languages and a different kind of font style and font sizes and area alignments and curve alignments. In case we use a square box, in every square box in the corners is very short. We need to create a curve means in a curve means there are option for 0 point. In every point is a 0 means they create a curve. In the 0 point is to create a sharp curve. So we create a 5 or we set a 10 means it will create a at least ball size of curve we created. So after end of this Figma work mode, so it will transparently move to the prototype model. So the prototype model will have a two separate type of options. One is a present, one is a very preview. So the present option is going to ensure all the screens are executed correctly with. The preview means we are working on one screen means we have checked the color is okay or not, the font size is okay or not in this current format. So this is how creating an artboard in a Figma. Thank you.